वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइफ एंड इंग्लिश विद रोहिणी। आज का हमारा वीडियो बिगनर्स के लिए है और ये वीडियो का टॉपिक है सिंगुलर्स एंड प्लूरल्स। दो ये काफ़ी इजी टॉपिक है लेकिन इसमें कुछ ट्रिकी वर्ड्स एंड कुछ ट्रिकी रूल्स हैं जो हम आगे इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एंड सीखेंगे। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा और ये वीडियो मैं शूट कर रही हूँ मेरे किड नेबर के साथ जिसका नाम वैदेही है। So let's get started.
So friends, ये है वंडरफुल वैदेही। आपको पूरे वीडियो में ये सिर्फ कैमरा फेसिंग करते हुए नज़र आएंगी। शायद इन्हें कैमरा बहुत पसंद आया है। So don't mind अगर आपको वैदेही कंप्लीट कैमरा डेडिकेटेड गर्ल ऐसे नज़र आई तो। So a huge round of applause to वैदेही।
So friends, she is Vaidehi. She is a neighbor of mine. She'll introduce herself to you now. So Vaidehi, over to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi friends, my name is Vaidehi. I am studying in 3rd standard. I live in Vashi and my school name is St. Mary's Multipurpose High School.
Cool. Okay, what are we going to study today?
Today we will study singular and plural.
So let's get started.
Let's learn nouns. We need to add s to the noun to form the plural.
Okay Vaidehi, what we will do is, I will say the singular, you will tell me the plural. That means you will give me the answer.
Okay.
Okay. What's the plural of girl?
Girls.
Key,
Keys.
apple,
Apples.
teacher,
Teachers.
street.
Streets.
Awesome.
Nouns that end with sh, ch, s, x, ss. We add es to the noun to form the plural.
Bush,
Bushes.
glass,
Glasses.
watch,
Watch.
watches,
Watches.
brush,
Brushes.
bus.
Buses.
Very good. Did you see her prompt answers?
Nouns that end with o, we again add es to form plural. However, there are few exceptions. For instance, piano, plural is pianos.
Now the next set of singular plurals are buffalo,
Buffaloes.
hero,
Heroes.
mango,
Mangoes.
potato,
Potatoes.
tomato,
Tomatoes.
cargo.
Cargoes.
Very good.
Nouns ending in a consonant plus y, we erase the y and switch it with ies.
Army.
Armies.
What is the spelling?
Armies.
Very good. The next is candy,
Candies.
lady,
Ladies.
party.
Parties.
Let's party. Okay.
Nouns ending in a vowel plus y, we add s to form plural.
So it is monkey,
Monkeys.
day,
Days.
chimney,
Chimneys.
essay,
Essays.
tray,
Trays.
valley.
Valleys.
See guys, what a smart girl Vaidehi is.
Nouns that end in fe or f, we delete fe and f from the noun and switch it with ves.
Okay, so it is knife,
Knives.
knives,
Knives.
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 Very good. Then it's thief,
Thieves.
wolf,
Wolves.
leaf.
Leaves.
Awesome.
Irregular plurals don't follow the standard rule when forming the plurals. Let's see the examples.
Man.
Men.
Okay, what is the spelling?
Men.
Very good. The next is deer,
Deer only.
sheep,
sheep,
foot,
feet,
ox,
oxen,
tooth,
teeth,
mouse,
mice,
goose,
geese,
child,
children,
woman,
women,
milk.
milk.
Very good, Vedahi. So that's all for today, friends. I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me know how did you find Vedahi. Okay, meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.